I'm Samantha Deitcher for Investmentpitch Media. Canada Carbon Inc. has signed a non-binding Memorandum of Understanding for the supply of the company's Miller nuclear purity graphite to Dunedin Energy Systems Ltd, an arm's-length Canadian developer of small modular nuclear reactors. The Memorandum of Understanding covers a supply of 200 tons per annum of Miller nuclear purity graphite over a 10-year term with a floor price of $40,000 US currency per ton. Both companies must achieve certain milestones in their business development activities, including the purchaser arranging requisite financing, at which time a definitive agreement will be negotiated. In February, the Canadian government announced a process under the Energy Innovation Program to explore the potential for on- and off-grid applications for small modular reactor technology in Canada. R. Bruce Duncan, CEO, stated, "The company has now begun building its book of business, as evidenced by this initial agreement with Dunedin Energy for this important initiative for Canada. This MOU represents over 13% of the company's planned annual production of 1,500 tons per annum, as projected in the preliminary economic assessment filed to CDAR on April 14, 2016. The projected revenue per ton under the Dunedin MOU agreement represents a significant increase over the revenue per ton used in the PEA to determine the economics of the Miller project. The costs for the production of nuclear purity graphite, estimated in the PEA, were $6,880 Canadian per ton over the first 5 years of production." Dunedin Energy Systems was founded to lead the development and commercialization of a very small nuclear power plant to bring the many benefits of nuclear energy to the remote communities and mines of Canada's north. With current remote site energy technologies becoming increasingly unsustainable, unaffordable, and environmentally undesirable, Dunedin Energy Systems believes that nuclear technology can offer a clean energy solution that will help the people and industries of the north to achieve their full potential. Peter Lang, CEO of Dunedin Energy Systems, stated, "Our primary focus was to secure a supply of nuclear graphite required for the manufacture of our all-Canadian small modular reactor design. We were delighted when our research team identified what we believe to be the world's purest natural graphite is available to us from a domestic Canadian source." Canada Carbon is in the process of planning and permitting the development of its small footprint, environmentally benign Miller graphite mine in Grenville-sur-le-Rouge, Quebec. The Miller property is minutes away from population centres with a ready source of skilled labour and support infrastructure. Located 104 highway kilometres from the Port of Montreal, the project has ready access to international markets. The Miller graphite is readily purified to meet the exacting standards required by the nuclear power industry and is more than 4 times purer than the best synthetic or natural nuclear graphites tested in U.S. government nuclear development programs. The Miller graphite will allow Canada Carbon to provide a critical component of the green energy revolution advancing around the world. The shares are trading at 11.5 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website, canadacarbon.com, contact R. Bruce Duncan, CEO, at 604-685-6375, or email info@canadacarbon.com. I'm Samantha Deitcher for Investmentpitch Media.